The fires that swept through Sonoma County in October 2017 destroyed 5,300 homes, 126 businesses, and left 24 families grieving for the ones they lost. This was a disaster on a scale like none other, and in the midst of this crisis, the Community Foundation Sonoma County asked ourselves, what can we do to help?
So the day after the fires, the Community Foundation Sonoma County, like every organization and individual in our community, thought, how can I contribute to what's going on here? And so we set out the purpose of the Resilience Fund to raise our funds for long-term recovery. The impact from the Resilience Fund so far have been from the individual level to the community-wide level. We've helped individuals who were directly impacted by the fires, meaning they lost their homes, they lost their jobs. We knew also that healing community trauma was something that we could do to help. And then our other area investment has been around housing solutions.
Knowing that many in our community would need support to recover, we're proud to fund organizations providing case management, legal support, and financial assistance.
The Resilience Fund has been incredible for us. And they have come alongside us and been a partner both to receive funds from the community and then to help us distribute those funds in effective and equitable ways to focus our efforts towards getting fire survivors home and doing what we can to help them in building resiliency and in recovering from what they experienced.
Legal issues are actually entwined with every aspect of recovery from a disaster. Issues including housing stability, financial stability, public benefits, employment issues, tenant housing.
What legal aid gave to me was it gave me strength in my state of trauma when I would get paperwork and I couldn't read it, I didn't understand it. It's such a wonderful support system, and I think our community is so fortunate to have a team like this.
The wildfires caused emotional distress as well as physical damage. We're investing in programs that are helping people to heal.
We knew that if we didn't do something to invest in our community, we were going to see a tremendous increase in domestic violence and suicide and drug addiction as the years played out. It just resonated with me, the concept of giving people the inner tools to have the strength and resilience to meet the stresses in their lives. Because we had such tremendous support from funders like the Community Foundation, we've now trained over 200 people to facilitate workshops and skills groups throughout the county. And in turn, those 200 people who have been trained will be offering their workshops and their skills groups for free in the community.
Humanidades helping the Latino community is such a huge thing because here in Sonoma County there are so many Latinos, and a lot of mental health providers don't really have that bilingual staff. With my person that I go to, she is bilingual, multicultural, and that has helped a lot. I feel like someone understands me and I have a connection.
Having the Resilience Fund and partners to help us pick up those costs means that we can see more people who can't pay the full fee. Helps me feel like I have an ally in this field of mental health.
The fires exacerbated an already tight housing market, so we're supporting creative solutions to addressing this housing crisis.
The day of the fires, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I started Share Fire. Between October to the end of December, we did well over 100 emergency home shares. Basically, we're going after empty bedrooms throughout Sonoma County and creating home shares. I'm forever grateful to the Community Foundation simply because of the support that they give Share.
Share was excellent in helping me help someone else, and that felt so good. They let the people take the step that they need to get the help they need so that they can continue. If they can find a place where they feel comfortable and where they can start calling it at least a bit of home, it will make them feel so much better. They will have a life, they can start it again.
We are nothing without the amazing work of the nonprofits that are able to work directly with clients.
We've raised $16 million for the Resilience Fund so far, and we know really our work has just begun. And with the red flag warnings and the planned power outages, we need to add preparedness to the Resilience Fund. So over the next several years, we're going to help individuals, neighborhoods, nonprofits to be better prepared for next time. And we know, with the help of the thousands of donors that contributed, we are going to recover together.